Hi guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button on your way in. It's free and won't cost you a thing if you love home decor type videos. If you've been here before, welcome back. So we're doing a new series on this channel where we talk about different home decor styles. In today's video, minimalism. Minimalism is all about simplicity and functionality. One of the most thoroughly modern interior design styles to consider, people often tend to confuse minimalism with a stark coldness and this uncomfortable severity, which is hardly the case at all. Think simplicity, think refinement. Okay guys, enough talking, let's get into the video. When thinking minimal interior design style trends, think of a modern art gallery or a museum as a reference with their pulled together approach to filling a space with the barest of essentials that will still feature a lively sense of drama, either organic or abstract. So lots of people enjoy this style, and I hope that you have enjoyed seeing some examples of it as well. Definitely comment down below. Let me know your favorite room or your favorite style of home decor for your home. Have to be honest, I'm not a huge minimalist person, just in any aspect of my life, but I do think it's gorgeous. So we are at the point. What is your favorite room? Comment down below. This was mine, guys. Just because it didn't give me a full minimalist take here, I felt it was beautiful, it was airy, it was perfect. If you've enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.